Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I want to talk to you about something that I believe we all dream about: financial freedom and building a prosperous future. Do you ever find yourself imagining a life where money isn't a constant source of stress? Well, stick around because I've got some tips to help you achieve just that. Now, let's dive into why financial freedom is so crucial and how it can truly change your life for the better. Imagine being able to make choices based on what you want, not just what you can afford. That's the power of financial freedom. It gives you the ability to live life on your own terms. But before we get too ahead of ourselves, let's address some common challenges that many people face when it comes to their finances. From drowning in debt to struggling to save money and living paycheck to paycheck, these hurdles can seem insurmountable. However, with the right strategies and mindset, you can overcome these obstacles. So, how exactly can you start your journey towards financial freedom? It all starts with budgeting, saving, investing, and finding ways to generate passive income. By creating a solid financial plan and sticking to it, you can slowly but surely start building wealth and working towards a more secure future. Now, I want to share with you a success story or a key tip that has the potential to inspire you and showcase the true power of financial planning. Whether it's someone who achieved early retirement through smart investments or a simple yet effective money-saving hack, these stories can serve as a beacon of hope for anyone looking to improve their financial situation. In conclusion, taking control of your finances is one of the most empowering decisions you can make. By implementing sound financial practices and staying committed to your goals, you can pave the way for a brighter and more prosperous future for yourself and your loved ones. Before we wrap up, I want to encourage you to subscribe to the channel for more financial tips and advice. I'd love to hear about your financial goals and challenges, so feel free to share them in the comments below. Remember, the journey to financial freedom may not be easy, but it is definitely worth it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.